Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I see a lot of people asking ukuthi ke idlala kuphi iBafana Bafana. Hayibo, iBafana Bafana iyadlala namhlanje and ke i-channel ezodlala khona ikuphi na? Ika SABC Plus naka SABC 2 namhlanje. Iyadlala iBafana Bafana but ke kunombiko ophumile kuthiwa ke abadlali beSundowns most yabo ngeke bawudlale lo mdlalo lo because they are playing against the RB Leipzig, so most of the players abazodlala abadlali bangayidlaleli iMamelodi Sundowns labadlali ababeziwe la, so you will see a lot of new players abazothola i-debut yabo namhlanje kuBafana Bafana. There are a lot of new faces esingawajwayele abadlala okubalwa khona uCross. I know ukuthi uCross bafethu seke wadlala vele ngaphambilini for iBafana Bafana, but ke this part of his setup ebadlala akaze adlala umjilo ke sobe seqala ukumbona eyidlalela iBafana Bafana kule setup ekhona currently. The last time ngimbona wayedlala kwiKosafa le eKings Olithini Stadium. Ke ngangitshela wena ke sithini score sale game namhlanje. Ngabe iBafana Bafana izokwazi ke unqobela umdlalo lo singesazi, yabo. Ingakho iBafana Bafana ithole another friendly match ezoba le khona beyodlala against iJamaica. Ingakho benama friendly matches out abazowadlala before they play iMexico. Badlali beSundowns bazobe bengekho. You might see uSipho Change starting today. You might see new faces. Idlala kuphi na? SABC Plus ungawudownloada uyibukele wena efonini. SABC 2 mahala ha.